Hello, good morning. Welcome to another video on Daily Health Guide with Shuaibu. In today's video, we'll be discussing about what are the Nigerian delicacies that is suitable to eat as a diabetic patient. So, before we proceed, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we upload video, you'll be the first to get notified. So, having said that, let's get started. Before we proceed to give you the kind of food that you're supposed to eat as a diabetic patient, now let's get to know what diabetes is all about. When will somebody be classified to be diabetes? In my previous video, I talked about diabetes. Someone is said to be diabetes when the fasting blood sugar estimation is above 120 milligram per deciliter and random blood sugar estimation is above 150 milligram per deciliter. But even with this measurement, the persons are not recommended to undergo any serious medications regarding to diabetes. However, he or she is expected to watch the intake of her food, that is, food that she eats or he eats, so that to curtail the excesses or the triggered explosions of excess blood sugars in the blood. That process, when the blood sugar level is above 120, 150 in terms of fasting and blood sugar, can be regarded as pre-diabetes. Now, if the sugar level is above 200, either be it fasting or random, the person is said to be chronic diabetes, of which is recommended that he or she should see a health professional for immediate examinations and, if possible, commence treatment. So, having said that, let's dive into what today's videos is all about, which I said delicacies, Nigerian delicacies suitable to eat as a diabetic patient. This delicacy include fruit, soup, and food. So let's get started. Number one, we have okra. Okra soup contains fiber and antioxidant that is suitable to eat as a diabetic patient. It's recommended to a diabetic patients. Number two, we have bitter leaf. Bitter leaf is known to contain properties that lowering blood sugar level. So this soup is also recommended for a diabetic patient. Number three, we have egusi soup. Egusi soup is one of the recommended soup for diabetic patients because it's made from melon. Melon is proteinous, so it's a good source for diabetic patients. Number four, we have beans. Beans is proteinous. It's a source of proteins that is good to eat as a diabetic patient. Number five, we have whole grain. Whole grain consists of brown rice. Like for you that says that my health professional stopped me eating rice because diabetes. We have whole grain that is suitable for you to eat as a diabetic patient. Inside this whole grain, we have brown rice, we have unripe plantain, we have wheat. So we have brown rice, we have unripe plantain, we have wheat. These are suitable food for you to eat as a diabetic patient. Number six, we have nut. Nut, granite, and other snacks made from granite like peanut are suitable to eat as a diabetic patient. Number seven, we have fish. Fish is a source of protein which consists of omega-3 fatty acid and protein that is suitable to eat as a diabetic patient. Number eight, we have fruit. Fruits such as apple, cucumber, citrus fruit like lemons and orange, and other fruits are suitable to eat as a diabetic patient. I hope you have learned a lot from this video, what and what not to eat as a diabetic patient. So having said that, when you find out or you consider that your blood sugar is high, please endeavor to consult your health professional for better advice regarding on what and what to take and what not to take. Bye and see you in my next video.